about football for our photographies. And the special awards for 9 under. The best goalkeeper is Ivan Colosha. And the best defender, Arkel Cadeza.
Buta nga imong vlog. Ano ba?
And the best midfielder is Raul Corog. Out lagi. Na Gen Alpha nga na Raul. Paul Durog! Congratulations!
Smile.
Best striker goes to Kit Bayano. And the MVP, 30 ba 30 Balmores is the MVP for 9 under. Congratulations! Again, third roaming Jose Subiri Memorial Football Cup would like to thank the following sponsors: Globe, Pepsi, Milo, Petron Gasul, Mindanao Forge Company Incorporated, Bike Cagayan de Oro, 7th Gear Auto Shop, Terra Verde Homes, Valencia Bukidnon, and Sunny Care. Yes, po.